Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to unfreeze PalmPay account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, identify the reason for the freeze. PalmPay may restrict your account due to suspicious transactions, incorrect login attempts, or failure to meet verification requirements. Check your email or app notifications for any alerts regarding the freeze. Now, to unfreeze your PalmPay account, contact PalmPay customer support. So open up your app and log into your account. Here, tap on Me section at the bottom right, and you will be on this page. Now, tap on this customer service option, and on this page you will see this live chat button. Simply tap on that, and then in message field, tell them that your account is frozen and you want to unfreeze it. If your account was frozen due to verification issues, you may need to upload a valid ID, proof of address, or other documents to confirm your identity. You can also contact them via call or email. So just go to customer service page and tap on these three dots, and here you will see the contact number as well as email of PalmPay customer support. Once you have recorded your response, then wait for a response. PalmPay will review your request and respond with further instructions. This process may take a few hours to a few days, depending on the issue. Finally, follow up if necessary. If you don't get a response within a reasonable time, follow up with customer support to check the status of your request. Once your account is verified and the issue is resolved, PalmPay will unfreeze it and you can continue using your account without restrictions. So that's basically how you can unfreeze PalmPay account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.